Welcome back to my 31st tutorial. In this tutorial, we're gonna discuss about the topic is file handling. With the help of Python programming, we're going to handle a file so we can do read, append, write, all the things we can do with the help of the Python programming, and here I'll show you how. Now I'm opening the file stored. This is my text file. This is my text file. Already having this text file along with the set of text. Now we're going to play with this text file only. Now the mode is read mode, and I'm assigning the name for my file like file. Now I want to know the file name, so file name is file.name. Okay. Now I want to know the mode. File mode is file.mode. Okay. In next line I want to know the status of the file. Status file.closed. I'm asking whether the file is closed or what. Now I run the program. It will say the file name is stored.txt. Now the file mode is read mode, and the file status is it's a false because it's not closed yet. Still it's in a open manner. So now I want to read the files. I want to read the text from my file. So what can I do? So now I'm having data file dot read. Now this particular function will help us to read all the text from the text file. So it will read all the values. Now I'll show you how. Now I'm printing the data. Okay. Now we can see all the text is printed here. Now I want to do different, like instead of that, file dot read lines. You can see the difference. I'm taking this line off. Now file dot read lines. Now the entire text file contains comprised into the list. Hi everyone, welcome. In the next line, this is the next tutorial. In the next line, in this tutorial, we'll discuss about the file handling. In the next line, we'll see how interesting it is. Okay, this, if you want all the contents into the list, we can use a file dot read lines. If you want to read all the lines from your text file, we can use file dot read. Now we have another method also, file dot read line. Only read line, not lines. It will help us to read only the single line. Just a minute, I don't know why. Okay, now I just do this. I'm doing it. Yeah, this will help us to read only the single line from your text file. Now okay, I have a data. I read the entire content. Now I want to read all the text from my text file along with the address values. So what can I do? I'm doing the iteration for that. Enumerate of data print I. Now so each and every character will be printed here along with the address value. If we want the address value for each character, we can do enumerator operation. With the help of enumerator operation, we can able to get the iteration. We can be able to get the address value for each character. Now we can switch to write. So far we have discussed about the only the read function. Here we're going to see about write. See, now I want to read some content into my text file. I'm having lines. This is about writing some text into my file. I want to write this line into my text file. Now I'm doing file dot write. This entire text I want to write it, so I'm doing like this. Now I run the program. Type your expected a string or other character buffer. Now we can do like the write lines. Okay, I'm doing the write lines. Now we can go to the text file and we can see, yeah, it's written over there. This is about writing some text into my file. Else if you want to write simply like you don't want to write this much of line, I just want to add one single line, or else I just want to add single characters, I just want to use single words only. So we can do file dot write hey mister. Now I run the program. You can go to your file and you can see hey mister, it's written over there. Okay, so doing this thing alone is not our task. We want to do something different. Okay, hey mister, this is Python tutorial, and this topic we are discussing about file handling. Okay, now I want to replace this okay with continue. Now I'm changing the mode. I'm changing into read mode. Data equal to file dot data file dot read. Now file change equal to data dot replace. I want to text is okay to continue. I want to replace okay to continue. Okay, now I'm opening the file again, the stuart.txt, and I'm writing mode, going for the writing mode. Again I'm giving as a file name as a file. Now I want to write f file dot write file change. After the contents is changed, now the contents has replaced. After it's replaced, I am writing into my file. Now I run the program. So here I've given before okay. Now the okay is changed into continue. Now we can do discussing. I want to change the discussing to talking. I want to discussing to talking. Okay, now I run the program. Yeah, we are talking about. Okay, this is a way we are replacing the text from the text files. Now we can do some of the different things also. Okay, now I want to read a file. I want to know the count value of a from my file. Print file change dot count of how many a is presented in my file. You see, 5 numbers of a's is presented in my stuart.txt text file. Okay, or else we want to know okay how many discussing is present here. Oh my god, it says 0. Oh my god, yeah, because we replaced it with the talking, no, so we can't say talking. It says yeah, great, it says true. Only one time the talking is presented in our text file. I think we discussed a lot about a file handling. I hope you got much idea about how to play with the text files. Okay, in my next tutorial, we'll discuss about the exception handling. Until that, stay hungry and strive hard for better tomorrow. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching this video.